judge in Kansas City is challenging the legality of an ICE raid at a Mexican restaurant in Liberty. The judge calling some of the arrests warrantless.
KBC9's Matt Evans is at the federal courthouse downtown breaking down this court filing and what happens next to the people involved.
As part of this 52-page opinion issued by a federal court in Illinois last week, a judge ruled that 11 of the 12 people arrested at a Liberty Mexican restaurant earlier this year were detained illegally.
People were frightened. They were scared.
That February raid was among the first to gain widespread attention in the metro after the Trump administration began its immigration enforcement crackdown. ICE agents arrested 12 people at El Portro's Mexican restaurant in Liberty, saying they were looking for a person who was accused of committing a violent crime against a child. Of those 12, one person has since been deported, and the other 11 were detained illegally, according to a federal judge.
I think it's a huge decision in the sense that it points out a gap that was missing.
Kansas City immigration attorney Michael Sharma Crawford represents those 11 people and says this decision could have wide-ranging implications nationwide.
I think now the ability for other people to extrapolate on that across the country is going to be huge.
The reason behind that ruling is because ICE agents did not have a warrant for the arrests, and they could not prove 11 of those people detained were a flight risk.
If ICE wants to get a warrant, come back and arrest them, that's one thing. That's certainly their prerogative. But the just snatching strangers off the street, that's the message of the court. You don't get to do that.
This case continues in a federal court in Illinois next month, where attorneys will argue to have those deportation cases dismissed against the 11 people detained illegally. In downtown Kansas City, Matt Evans, KBC9 News.
It's unclear if the government will appeal that ruling. In a statement, a Department of Homeland Security spokesperson said that DHS complies with all lawful court orders and is currently addressing this matter with the court.